Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 13 future tense. So what is a future tense? Future tense is mainly a tense which describe any kind of action or work which is done in the future. See the definition. The future tense is a verb form that describe an action or event that has not happened yet but it is expected to happen. So future tense is a verb which does not describe about the event which has happened. It only says about the actions which will happen in the coming time. The future tense are of four different kind: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. So first we will read simple future tense. So the first form of future tense is simple future tense. So we make the simple future tense using the modal auxiliary verb will and sometimes shall. The structure of simple future tense is subject plus will shall plus base form of the verb, means V1. So simple future tense is a tense which we make by using the modal auxiliary verb will or shall. See the example of simple future tense. He will come here tomorrow. I shall join you tomorrow. So these are example of simple future tense. Now we will read the uses of simple future tense. First point says that to express an action in the near future. So simple future tense tells us about the action which will happen in the near future. Example, he will come here in the afternoon. Second point says that simple future tense is used to describe things that will happen as a regular phenomena or as a habitual thing. So simple future tense describes the habitual thing which is a habit. Like example, the milkman will come in the evening. The third point says to describe the result of some action. So simple future tense tells us about the result of any kind of action. Example, you will hurt your knee if you are not careful while playing football. So the result is been said here that you will hurt your knee if you will not play carefully. Number 4 says that will is used when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. So will is used when we speak something. Will is used when we decide to speak something at the time of speaking. See the example, I will bring some soft drink for you. So this is an example of simple future tense. How we will make negative sentences in simple future tense? We will simply add not with the auxiliary verb will. Sumit will not buy a car. One student will not appear in the exam this year. So simply not is added just after will. To make questions in simple future tense, we will put will before the subject. So to make questions in simple future tense, we will put will at the first in the sentence. Will is put first at the sentence and after that we will put the subject and at last a question mark is put. Now the second form of future tense is future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used for talking about an action in progress at a particular time in the future. So future continuous tells us about the work which is done in the time of progress in the future. Future continuous tense tells the following structure. So the structure of future continuous tense is given that subject plus will shall plus be plus ing form of the main verb. So this is the structure of future continuous tense. Examples are given. They will be making preparation for their exam. So will be making. This tells us about that the sentence is in future continuous tense. Now uses of future continuous tense. Number 1 expresses an action that will be going on at the time in the future. So future continuous tells us about the action which will be going in the coming future. See the example, he will be meeting the principal tomorrow afternoon. So this action will take place in the future, coming future. Number 2 says that expresses an action that will happen as a matter of routine or as a planned happening. So future continuous tells us about future continuous tense tells us about the action which will happen as a matter of routine, which will happen as a routine or a planned happening. So to make negative sentences in future continuous tense, we will just add not after will. The same structure will be followed in simple future tense and future continuous tense also. Only not will be added just after will. So after will not is added, after will not is added. So to make question in future continuous tense, we will put will before the subject. So in future continuous tense also same thing happens. In simple future tense also we will put will before the subject, and in future continuous tense also we will put will before the subject. So students, today we have done two kinds of future tense. In our next video we will do the another two kinds of future tense. So that's all for today. Thank you.